mag-haul tayo because thumbnail. Yeah, so first up is Watsons. Everything is a surprise na kinalimot ako. Ito kong gipal. Yung mystery box. Yes. I bought this. It's from Koan siya, Quick Fix. Basically, pang primer siya. Nag-note ko ganihang buntag about like my makeup na mahulas dayon. Thankfully, ning reply si Adto. And she recommended me this. And I swear, her makeup base is always so pakak na pakak. And I bought this too. Eraser. For it. I also have a story time aning sa kong kilay pag elementary na ko. I was like in second grade. And I saw eraser. Dili nga ni. Dili. Katong dakuan nga pang kuan. And you know what I did? Napahak siya. Literal nga. Dili nga pahak nga pina Elisa, talas of asa, dili. Pinaka ng Anira, kani. I forgot ang sa ito nga sign sa kong kilay. Basta kay Anira. I'm not sure naka-box, And that shit was embarrassing because pagka-ugma ato kay I had choir practice sa mong eskwelahan and I had to like cover it with my bangs, so I was like, because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. What songs? Ding 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 ding. Panginoon na kwarok. Next up is Gunita. Shout out sa kong kauban ganiha si Ginoo ko bayo ta. Hello. Oh no. Ano po ang isang akong ipalit? Nagbuslot rin ako na kira sa busiro. That wipes. Ganyan ka. Bisag na wala akong clip. Anyways, nakita ra ang clip. Nalingkuran din ako. Look. Girl. Ang gamit ang maniyaw. Next up, Arturas. I bought lip balm. Ipahurot tapod ako Pero Nivea to akong lip balm actually. Pero mas cheaper na yun. So, yeah. Kailangan kay cheap. And I also bought these. Ganun ako sa story ni. Kalimot kung ano to. Ay magniabot mi sa topic atong mga skincare. And then, she recommended these. Naghana. She recommended this. I also bought cotton balls. And I bought a face powder. Wow! Actually, akong face powder kay ko naghihingalan na kasi na to. Ang brand ani kay Fanbu. Nga makita ra sa groceryhan. And holy shit, even though like dara na sa groceryhan like unsa generic brand mo ko tawag kan. Pharmacy, dili na siya like Dazzle Me, Caroline shit. No, it's for the girls who like cheap. A lot of people would ask me, what's yung powder ni mo? This. Pero, feel na ko nag-face out na siya. So, maunang nipalit na ko. Ever na. Look. It's giving. She's a diva, guys. Like, that has been like my powder since forever. Thank you, Alturas. I'm just a girl. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.